This is Mia with WTI. I love my Squishable baby goat. He is so cute and such high quality, and I love the little details that they have on him. The details make him perfect for anyone who loves goats or for people who just love adorable stuffed animals in general. He's perfect for your afternoon nap or for, going on adventures. I love cuddling my little goat. He is so well made. Squishable makes such high quality plush. He's so cute, and when I'm not cuddling him, he sits on my bed and just brings the most adorable smile to my room. I just wanted to show again some of the aspects of this goat that I absolutely love. First of all, he is so soft. They used such a nice fabric for this plush. Second of all, he's so squishy and huggable. I absolutely love cuddling this little guy. I also adore the amount of details that they put into this plush. His little horns, his embroidered details of his eyes and his nose, little ears, little legs, and my favorite, his little goatee. I absolutely love my little goat, so I would 100% recommend you getting yourself a goat, and that is my point of view.